Hi, it's Kanamo,
And Amira.
and welcome to our podcast.
Back to our podcast. I'm Amira, and as always, I'm not alone, but I have partner here. Who else if not Kanamo?
Hi, I'm Kanamo. It's really nice to chat with you all again. And today we're going to talk about an important topic, which is drumroll please. Future plan.
Yup, a topic that we all think about a lot. Sometimes it makes us excited, but sometimes it makes us dizzy because we don't know where to start.
Totally agree. Future plans can be anything from career, education, family, even bigger life goals. So maybe let's start from the basic definition with what do you think about future plan, Nia?
For me personally, a future plan is like compass that leads you to your destination. It's like a roadmap of how you want your life to go, whether it's in near or long term. And usually, a future plan gives you the motivation to keep going.
I agree, because if you don't have a plan, sometimes you're confused about what you do. It feels like you're driving without knowing your destination. But the question is, how do you make a realistic future plan that doesn't just becomes a dream?
Yes, that's really important. I usually start with SMART goals. You know, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So, the plan is not just a big dream, but also clear step.
That's right. I totally agree about smart goals. Sometimes people like to set really big goals, but the small steps are not clear. So you end up stressing yourself and stressing yourself out because you think, "Whoa, when will this happen?"
That's right. For example, I have a future plan to start a business, but if I just think I want to be a successful entrepreneur without details on how to do it, it will be very difficult to realize.
Exactly. You have to break it down for example, in the future 6 months, you might be able to start marketing research first. Then in the next 6 months, you can start making prototypes or trying to sell. So there are steps by step that you can go through.
Speaking of step by step, do you think it's important to review our future plan often?
Very important. I even like to review a few months because our life are constantly changing. Those are new things that can change your priorities or even speed up the process of achieving your goals. Being flexible is key.
Totally agree. Don't be rich with your plan. Sometimes there are things beyond your control to make you have to adapt. For example, during the pandemic, many people's future plan had to be reset due to circumstances.
Exactly. I also experienced that. A lot of my plans changed because of the pandemic, but I ended up focusing on the things that I could control, like developing new skills, joining online courses, and even eventually the plans even changed for the better.
Nice, that's good. I'm the same way. I think the pandemic has made me rethink more about my career and how to achieve my future plans. So, there are things that we can.
So, Mir, if you want to have a future plan, you gotta have a dream. What kind of dream or dream you want to do when you're much more older?
My dream is I want to be an interior designer, but in between I want to be a UI UX enthusiast because now I'm in combination visual design major and I am more focused in UI UX. And how about you? What's your dream?
My dream.
Yes.
I honestly, from when I was small, I really like design or drawing.
Oh.
So I want to go to a visual communication major. But when you go to IDN, it's a very different kind of major or what you learn.
Yes.
So maybe in the future I want to learn more things about visual communication design. not just yoyo exercise, like more like painting, drawing, and kriya, like that.
Oh, that's nice.
Other than your in between dreams, what do you want to do in when you grow up? Like the main goal that you want to do?
The main goal. Yes. Because from I was a child, from I still in elementary school, my dream is interior designer, you know. But when I was young, when I write in paper, when when graduate, before graduate, we my teacher gave our task for what do you want gitu kan, what's your dream, like that. And then I I write I want to be chef, I want to be doctor, I want to be YouTuber, I want to be spammers, like when my elementary era is
In the 2000s ya, 2000-an. So many like YouTubers, chefs, like
yes,
it's very
and then like
trending.
spam squishy or
Yes.
slime and spinner, you know.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, that's why I want to be like that.
For me, I don't really enjoy squishies or slime. I
Oh,
never
okay.
had those, and I never buy those because I see them as useless,
Yeah.
very
Okay.
useless, and very expensive.
Okay.
So I just really enjoy drawing from my past. What I want to do when I grow up, I really want to be a how to say docent, like a teacher,
But in
teacher
university.
in university.
Oh, yes, yes.
I want to be a teacher at ITB, and
Oh.
or maybe I want to go there when I grow up. If I
Amin.
cannot, if I cannot, I want to be a freelancer at design, illustration, and
And
others.
company?
Yes,
Oh.
company. I don't really think about. I honestly don't like being worked down upon. Like I have a boss. I don't like that.
Oh, yeah.
I want to be my own boss.
Yes.
If you want to join like a university, I already said I want to join so ITB. But what do you want to join if it was for you?
I want to go to Binus University in Indonesia and in ITB or IPB. But if I in outside,
Abroad.
abroad, if I abroad, I want to go to university in Turkey or in
Yes,
Australia.
me too. I really want to go to Turkey because
Yeah.
there's so many cats. So
Oh yes. Oh, your reason
yes.
to university in Turkey because
Because
so many
Cats.
Oh, I
Because in Turkey there's so many cats running around. Like maybe when you go a day, you can find 100 cats maybe.
oh my god.
Oh, if actually not just in ITB, I want to go to first ITB. I want to go to Turkey, maybe Mesir if I can,
Oh.
and Japan.
Wow.
You want to go where to? Australia and Turkey? Yeah.
Yes,
Why you want to go to Australia?
because actually I already discussed with my parents, but like my parents say you just in Indonesia aja, like that. I say why? Because when I in junior high school and now in vocational high school, I in boarding school, and both of them in Bogor. It means like I'm what to say near
Far from
yeah,
home.
far from home and parents. It's like I think I can ini kan, but I still
She still do to go to Australia.
yes. And why I'm in Australia because
You want
I-
to learn the Australian accent?
yeah, like a British, but
British what
oh,
different?
yeah. Yeah, by the way,
Nor.
Yeah, Australia have them accent,
Their accent.
their accent, right? I mean the has of their has.
Yeah, our accents are very different. Like,
Yes, like not British, but not American too.
their own accent. Yeah.
Yes.
Honestly, if we're talking about accents, I want to learn the Russian accent.
Oh.
Russian.
Russian. Can you give ini some example?
No, I cannot. I can only do British, and it's not really good.
Oh.
I bet you can do Japanese accent or Australian accent.
Japanese?
Yes.
Why Japanese? I don't know Japanese.
Maybe Arabic accent.
No. Assalamualaikum. Yes.
That is just the language, not the accent.
Ya Habibi.
Well, I honestly, for me, I just enjoy their culture. Like Australian, they have their own culture. Japanese, they have culture. Turkey have their own culture. But I heard in Turkey they have good coffee,
Oh yeah.
and all the people there are very handsome.
Oh. Because and because why my reason wanna go to Turkey because I'm not yet go to Turkey so
You want like travel too?
yes and I will try the ice cream in Turkey
Yeah,
like,
which,
yeah if we buy ice cream and then
The mamang is like
play
so evil.
yeah actually it's annoying but yeah it's fun.
It's fine. Well, honestly, I really enjoy those. I watch my friends go to Turkey just for traveling, and it's very fun there. The atmosphere is very nice.
Oh yeah there is snow
No, it's
not for
Emang there is snow ya? I think there is snow, but in some parts. Di bagian tempat
like
kau.
that.
I think yeah, but I don't know.
You go to where?
I don't go. My parents. Yes.
But honestly, in Australia, because there is my
I mean, Sandy go to Australia too, right? Sandy,
Sandy Yosi.
yes, Yosi.
Wah,
Sandy, Yosi, Kevin, and Axel.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And
When?
you, emang Australia? No, Singapore.
Singapore in US, right?
Yes.
Why you suddenly
I
say?
forgot. I thought it was in Australia.
Yes.
I mean, Australia is open for Muslims now too. Australia
Yes.
open for Muslims. German is open for Muslims too. Germany open for Muslims. So it's very
In
Muslim.
Turkey too, right? Like
Well,
many.
I mean, in Turkey, almost
like
all of
usual,
them,
yes.
It's very. I love that. They adapt to our culture, like Islamic culture, and we adapt to their culture. Like that. It's very fun.
By the way, in Turkey, if you go to the mosque and then you use mukena, and they like see me like weird, I mean,
Like sangat like that.
no. I mean like her the tatapan, like then like never see gitu. If we pray with mukena,
Oh yeah.
yes.
I never heard of that.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I think this just in Indo or in Asian.
I think there is in outside too, but different style. I think.
Yes, because if I see in Turkey and the sosmed, they like just what they pray with their dress.
their
Yes,
dress,
yes.
I honestly, if my future, I want to go to Japan or maybe Mesir. Maybe it would be fun. But honestly, I really don't know if there is I think there is, but I haven't found it yet. Like a study or a school exchange
Oh
for
yes.
designers, because in the future designers are one of the hardest. What's the hardest? The hardest thing, because in the future there is AI,
Yes,
artificial
it's true.
intelligence. So we don't know if we'll be able to be in the future. So if you don't be a UX designer or interior designer, what you wanna do? Like a chef or?
Yes, I want to try. I want to be chef too, but I what actually I still confused. Like what the main one if not become
A chef.
interior designer.
Oh.
Or maybe I just make vlog but
Vlog.
not that juga sih. I mean, or I make food but I record too maybe.
Like we in Mida Dubi, yeah. Like there is YouTuber that likes cooking food.
Yeah. Like aesthetic vlog
I think I'm
like
not
that.
so far from you. I want to be a cook too, but not a chef, but a pastry maker.
Oh yes.
I like baking, but I'm not really good at it. I haven't tried a lot of things. I only tried making cookies.
Actually, I can make cookies if make the food I'm not.
Oh, you mean by baking, yeah?
Yeah, I mean
Oh.
baking.
Honestly, I like baking and I like cooking. I enjoy experimenting with others' cuisines, like
Yes, it's true.
mapo tofu from China, fried rice, kimchi fried rice from Korea.
Do you ever try
Recently,
make lidah kucing?
I have.
I have. Me
it's,
too.
It's a very Indonesian thing.
Yes.
And Lebaran.
Yes.
It's very fun making cooking like that. If I don't have any other choice, I want to try baking and cook. But I really don't like when you measure like the ukuran. I hate
The
that.
size.
Yes,
Yes.
the size is so I don't like how many kilograms of flour. I don't like that.
Yes. Like
It's so detailed.
difficult.
I mean, I heard that one of the hardest pastry that you can make is macaroons.
Oh yes.
It's very hard.
Yes,
People say it's very
because
hard.
must like there is temperature, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
so hard but so good.
Yes lah.
So good.
I think
so
more
hard.
better if we
Just buy.
Let's just eat.
Just eat. I think that's all from our podcast. I'm so sorry we go all over the place about the
Yes.
team. It was very enjoyable talking to you, Emira.
Yes, me too. Thank you, Kana.
Thank you, Emira, and thank you from us. Sorry if we have some mistakes that we do in the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.